Yes.
He's but I think you need to take the whole man,
Yes, not just the ring.
not
And
just the
I
ring.
think that has caused more problems to women
So
because they think because they have the ring.
nina kufuna omusajja owange,
Yes.
you know, I mean, we are using Luganda not because the Baganda are the ones who say that, but it is the language
Yes,
of
yes,
communication
yes.
here. But to say, I have got to get my own man, and therefore you reduce it to the legal
aspect of it.
the legal aspect. Then you would say, he's the one who could afford the ring
Yes,
to
the
take
ring.
me.
Yes, and the rest he doesn't afford other things.
Yes, so even if he's inadequate in other aspects, but as long as he can afford
the ring.
We've also seen this, that a number of women say, hey, if you cannot do this, you cannot do this, you cannot do this, you cannot do this, then I mean, some of our lady friends, they would say, agre tonkwana bononkwana nja kusaba sente ate tozirina ate onyiige.
Yeah, it's happening. Actually, it's very happening
now. So
now
it comes to that.
Yes.
Not that I so if you and you can see how it has been aggregated.
Yes.
That to love somebody, you probably want to express your interest in this lady,
Yes.
and she's telling you
that you don't
please
afford.
don't cross that line.
Yes.
Because you can't afford.
You can't afford, yes.
Okay, so and then of course everyone will tell you, yeah, but even if you've loved each other, will you go in your home and eat nothing? Hey, now look at it. We've said that money can be inherited.
Yes.
Okay, the girl could have inherited it.
Yes.
Okay,
have it.
and so she will have it. So do not reduce yourself to just an economic element. Okay, and for me that is again my fight.
Maybe the woman telling you that don't approach me, don't fall in love with me because I'll ask for money from you and you will not afford the money, or you get annoyed. Maybe she's trying to be very open to you.
Yes,
that my relationship with you is
transactional.
And when I fall in love with you, or if you want me to deal with you, then I will ask for money.
Yes,
and then you get angry at me that I've made my terms very clear that I need the money. As long as you fall in love with me,
so
I need
then
the money.
It brings out the fact that actually marriage
is an
economic construct, and the intention of it being a social one is swept under, and we cannot run away from that indeed marriage or relationships are very transactional. And they are legal. They are legal. Sign here. You see.